To add Venmo to Apple Pay, you need to have a few requirements met, including an iPhone or Apple Watch, the Venmo app, and an Apple Pay compatible device. First, make sure your device is updated with the latest software. Open the Venmo app and sign in to your account. If you do not have a Venmo account, you can create one by following the in-app prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Menu section of the Venmo app. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on the version of the app you are using. In the Settings section, look for the option that says Add to Apple Pay or something similar. Tap on this option to begin the process of adding your Venmo card to Apple Pay. You may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email to confirm your identity. After verifying your identity, you will be redirected to the Apple Wallet app, where you can add your Venmo card. If you do not see the option to add a card, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Select the type of card you want to add, which in this case is the Venmo card. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay with your Venmo card. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your Venmo card will now be added to Apple Pay, and you can use it to make payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To use your Venmo card with Apple Pay, open the Apple Wallet app and select the Venmo card. You can also use Siri to make payments by saying something like, "Hey Siri, use my Venmo card to pay." When making a payment, make sure to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device's security settings. This adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add Venmo to Apple Pay and start making payments using your Venmo balance. Remember to always keep your device and apps updated to ensure the latest security features and functionality.